Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this eggnog pie. First you gotta wash your hands, of course. Then get out a cookie sheet to hold the pie crust. I used 2 graham cracker pie crusts. I think this tastes better than the dough crust. Hey, what is this doing here? Hey-ya! Take that. Darn it, I gotta wash my hands again. Where was I? Oh yeah. Then you gotta get some eggnog, of course, because it's eggnog pie. And you gotta get some milk. And 2 boxes of vanilla instant pudding. Some vanilla. Some nutmeg. And some ground cinnamon. You'll need a pretty large bowl, some measuring cups, and some teaspoons and tablespoons. For 2 packages of instant pudding, you're going to add 3 cups of eggnog and a half a cup of regular milk. And then you're going to stir it for a good 5 or 6 minutes till it kind of stiffens. Then you're going to add vanilla, which I added about half a teaspoon. And then half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then a dash of cinnamon. Stir. Then pour that onto the graham cracker crusts. Eggnog pudding pie in the fridge and let it sit for a good couple hours. Alright, so now we're going to make the meringue that's going to go on top, but I'm going to do it a little different, fancier. Crack 4 eggs and whisk it. Tartar and some salt and really mix it together, and then I'm going to gradually add some sugar. You preheat the oven to 225.
Excuse me.
Whisk it until it's really frothy. And once I gradually add the sugar and mix it into sugar, and then mix sugar until it's like really glossy, shiny, white, then I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla again and stir. Then instead of just baking the meringue like that, I'm going to scoop it into little plops. You're going to put some parchment paper on a pan so the meringue doesn't stick to the pan. Kind of circle-like plops. It doesn't matter if they have a pattern or anything. It's just supposed to look like the egg yolks. Alright, now you're going to stick it in the oven and you're going to put a timer on for an hour. Alright, so for the yellow part of the egg, you're going to get some whipped cream and put some in a bowl and then add yellow food coloring and orange food coloring and stir, 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 stir. And then you're going to get a mold of like half spheres, and you're going to place the whipped cream in those half spheres and then put it in the freezer. 1 hour later. Alright, so we got the meringues out, and we also have taken out the egg yolks, the yellow part of the egg from the freezer. Then we're going to place the meringue plops on the pies, and then we're going to take out the yellow part and place it so it looks like an egg is on the eggnog pie. Isn't it so fun? I've had a couple people think that they're actually real eggs at first. You'll want to keep this in the fridge until you serve it. Well, hello! Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more awesome, creative, artsy videos like this one. I hope you had fun, because that's in the name, Laura's Fundora. And happy Thanksgiving! Just taking care of these intruders.
Here's Landon helping out his wonderful mom.
Okay, give him a turn.